Blonde and Blonder. They're going to climb the fence.
Ready?
Steady, go.
Oh, shit. I'm totally not going all the way there.
Come on.
Well, the short girl can do it.
Kayla's winning.
I don't care. I got stuck now.
Dang, Kayla. Try to sit up there.
No, I can't. I'll fall. She will fall. I'm too light in this thing.
Jump. You can do that.
Think of a jump. I do this all the time for fun, so. Oh, my hand.
And Francis is still up there.
Oh, my jeans! My jeans! Ah! No, but no, that's already been there for another minute. But no, yeah, seriously, I was jumping twice.
That cut? That cut?
My phone, please.
That cut gave you the thing?